Get ready to be amazed by the incredible success story of a YouTube channel that's making a fortune by creating simple yet captivating kids learning videos. Through the magic of 2D animations, this channel has captured the hearts of millions of young learners worldwide. Some of their most popular videos have skyrocketed to over 30 million views, proving that quality educational content never goes out of style. And when we peek into their channel stats on Social Blade, their estimated monthly income ranges from a whopping $6,000 to an astounding $105,000. Now that's the kind of success that dreams are made of. And here's the kicker. You too can tap into this incredible opportunity with the help of AI, creating similar high-quality videos in just a matter of minutes. Get ready for an exciting adventure into the world of kids' educational content. The sky's the limit, and you're just a click away from discovering how AI can transform your content creation game. My friends, today's exciting video where I'm about to take you on a magical journey into the world of educational animation for kids. What's even more amazing? We're going to make this incredible journey with the help of AI technology. I'm going to break down this adventure into 5 parts. So make sure to stick around till the very end because every moment is packed with knowledge and creativity. Now, without further delay, let's jump right in and uncover the wonders of creating a mesmerizing, educational animated video for kids, all thanks to the power of AI. Let's get started. Our first step is to write a script. We're going to use the power of ChatGPT to ensure a script that's as captivating as it is educational. We'll provide ChatGPT with a prompt to generate a child learning video script that's all about the amazing diversity of birds. This script will not only be informative but also engaging for young learners. Once ChatGPT works its magic and write this script, we'll focus on the host's part of the text. We'll carefully extract this host part and place it into a document file like Google Docs to keep things organized. And there you have it, our first step complete. In our second step on this exciting journey, we're going to give voice to our script using a remarkable text-to-speech AI tool called Credo AI. If you're new to Credo AI, don't worry, we've got you covered. To begin, simply click on the free trial option and create your account by providing your email and password. After that, make sure to verify your email address to successfully complete the account creation process. Once you're logged in, navigate to the AI text dubbing section and select your preferred language and voice model. Now it's time to bring our script to life. Head back to your document file and copy the first paragraph of your script. Paste it into the Credo AI text box and click on Audition to listen to the output. If you're satisfied with the voice, click on Confirm. However, if you'd like to explore different voice models, feel free to change and audition again until you find the perfect match. Once you're content with the voice, click on Create New and select AI. Repeat this process paragraph by paragraph until you've converted your entire script. When every paragraph has been expertly converted, you can download all the audio files in ascending order. And just like that, our voice generation step is complete, and our script is ready to come alive. Now you should subscribe my channel and like the video. Now, as we move forward to our next step, we're about to give life to our script through captivating animation. We'll be using the fantastic Adobe Express, a free AI animation tool that's perfect for our creative journey. Begin by launching Adobe Express, and once inside, click on Make Animation for YouTube. Now, because we're targeting our young learners, it's time to select a funny and engaging character. After all, laughter is the best way to keep them entertained and enthralled. With your character selected, click on Background and choose a custom color to set the stage. Then, make sure to select the video size as YouTube video size for a seamless fit. Now it's time to bring our script to life. Upload your first audio clip or simply drag and drop it into the designated area. Adobe Express will work its magic, generating the animated characters synced with our audio. This process may take a little time, so be patient. Once the generation process is complete, click on Download to save your video. After downloading, click on Back to Editing, followed by Replace Audio. Here you can select the character, change the background if needed, and upload the second audio clip. Repeat this process for all your audio clips. And there you have it. Our animated masterpiece is taking shape, ready to captivate and educate our young audience. Now it's time for the fourth step, where we're going to breathe life into our video using the fantastic Canva platform. If you're new to Canva, don't worry. I'll guide you through the process. Start by creating an account using your email. Once you're all set up, click on Video and select YouTube Video. Here's where the magic happens. Upload all the animated videos that we've artfully crafted with Adobe Express. These videos are the heart and soul of our educational adventure. Next, head over to the Elements section where we'll add the perfect touch to our video. Search for a forest background and choose a suitable background image. Adjust it to fit the video size seamlessly. To ensure a perfect fit, refer to the animated videos duration in your upload folder. But we're not stopping there. Let's make our video even more visually appealing. In the same Elements section, search for animated trees. Select these delightful elements and position them in the background image according to your creative preferences. And here's the charming twist, let's add some birds to our video's background. After all, we're on a journey to discover the world of birds. You can easily find animated birds in the Elements section as well. Now we're set to create a visually stunning and engaging video that'll captivate our young learners. Now our background is set. Then from the Upload menu, we just drag and drop our animation video. Now let's take the next crucial step in our process, removing the green background from our animated video. To get started, click on the Edit Video option. Then eagerly click on Remove Background. It might take a little time, but soon enough you'll witness the green background vanish. But we're not done yet. Let's bring our script's bird character to life. In the Elements section, search for the bird by name. Add this delightful element to our video. Head to the Show Timing options to ensure that our bird takes its place in our video at just the right moment. With all these pieces in place, it's time to put it all together. Click on the Share button to download our masterpiece.
Hello,
Now let's see our
curious
video.
young minds. Welcome to our exciting adventure into the world of birds. Today, we're going to meet some feathered friends from around the world and learn fascinating facts about them. First up, it's the majestic bald eagle. Did you know that the bald eagle is the national bird of the United States? They have sharp eyes and can spot their prey from high up in the sky. Now, let us fly over to Africa and meet the African gray parrot. These colorful birds are super smart and can even talk. They're like the Einstein of the bird world. Next, we have the adorable penguin. Penguins might not fly in the sky, but they are excellent swimmers. They waddle on land and slide on their bellies in the icy waters. Say hello to the hummingbird. These tiny birds are like flying jewels. They flap their wings incredibly fast and can hover in one spot while sipping nectar from flowers. Now, it's time to...
Thank you so much for joining us on this fantastic journey today. We hope you enjoyed learning about AI making animation videos as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you.